What's up, guys? Mark here from VIP Shop Management. I know everybody's been worried about me. I understand that. I do want to talk to everybody about what happened last week. What happened last week has nothing to do with me. What happened last week is the 10DLC. Basically, what is 10DLC text messaging issue? There is each message must end with stop to unsubscribe. It's a regulation and it's being enforced 100%. They enforced it on and off in October. Now they enforce it 100%. Basically, if your message is not ending with that, it's a problem. Obviously, I don't want you to sit and type every time you send a text message. That's why you gotta download the latest application from the website. Help and check for update. It's not gonna do it. You gotta go to the website and download the latest one. Why is that? Because I've changed the deployment completely to MSIX. MSIX basically is the new deployment. You're never gonna have problem with the application cannot start. We suffered. I suffered, and you guys suffered. Not all of you, especially if you have the slow computer. It can't. You saw that message. You're never gonna see that message before again because the new deployment is compatible with Windows 11 and Windows 12 and Windows 10. All right, so I'll talk about that. Let me talk about my personal issue that I've been dealing with since October. I'm dealing with the CPS, Child Protective Service. I did not know all this stuff until recently. It turns out Child Protective Service is Child Abuser Service. Seriously, they targeted me, and I didn't know why they targeted me. The ex-wife made false claims about me, and I thought my fight is with her. It turns out my fight is with CPS in the court in Detroit. And the problem is they're greedy. My ex-wife got greedy because I became successful. CPS and the court got greedy. They have committed so many times, so much fraud until today. Took my child away from me, my daughter. She's 11 years old, and they're using my daughter as a pawn, and they want to take my money. That's how bad it is. All false accusation. I can't hire lawyers because every time I hire a lawyer, the court, talk to the lawyers and make sure, hey, we gotta win. It's a disaster. I hope the new administration and Doge do something about CPS. It's a huge disaster. If we can't save our children, I don't understand the point of our life, to be honest with you. It seems like from social media, a lot of people having this issue, and our politicians like closing their eyes, acting like it doesn't exist. It's a problem, and I'm dealing with it myself. So with that being said, VIP Shop Management is stronger than ever. When it comes to there's a couple of things that I want to talk about. One, Napa has reached out to me, and first of all, the 10DLC is working. If you still can send text message, please shoot me an email with your business information. Let me double check on yours. Otherwise, 99%. And all of you guys, you gotta have the latest version, the 32-bit. Make sure you use the 32-bit because it has less problems than the other one. Compatibility issue, that's what I mean, because if you want to use the 64-bit, speed dial is not 64-bit. Sometimes your printer is not 64-bit, so that's the problem. So stick with the 32-bit to avoid any problems. I do want to talk. So, like I said, Napa, we'll be adding Napa. So I'm back. Yes. Do I have my child? No. It's a war. I'm going against CPS and against the court, basically, who are committing fraud, both of them. I'll figure it out. It's not a problem. I did one thing good. I did hire an assistant, so that will help me a lot with me and my child. And other than that, we're an online company. Just remember that we're an online company. My primary job, whether I'm having issues or not, is to make sure the app is working, right? When something goes bad like this, I jumped on it, even though the third-party companies don't care. Literally, do you think they jump on it the way I jump on it? I haven't seen one company that does what I do. None. Don't care because they're they clock in and clock out. Me, this is my company. I gotta make sure text messaging works. It took me 16 hours to make sure text messaging works again. But other than that, I know you guys miss me. I miss you too. I know you guys want to talk to me. I will talk to you Monday. All the phone lines will be open again. But easy. Sometimes some of the customers call once, we don't answer the phone, he calls 10 times. There is no need for that. Sometimes we're really busy. If you couldn't reached out to us, you can shoot us an email. When it comes to idea, please don't call me about ideas. Only shoot me an email. I'll look into it and don't expect a reply for ideas. Other than that, VIP shop management, the demand on VIP shop management is extremely high right now. I'm just being honest with you. It's extremely high. If you want to sign up for VIP shop management, there is no need for for you to call us. There is no contract. You can see all the features. You can watch the videos on YouTube channel. You can give it a try. You can cancel. Worst case scenario will cost you $65. I promise you, there are over 2,500 shops. Some of them they sell over $5 million, and they would never switch to TechMetric or ShopMonkey. Customers that have been using TechMetric ShopMonkey from October all the way up to today been hurting already. Been speaking to a lot of them. $500, $600, $700 for what? And our invoice still looks better. Anyway, I appreciate you guys. Until next time, thanks for watching. Wish me and my kid luck till I fight this corruption. Thanks for watching.